Hi, today we are going to see for college facility Android application. First we will start the XAMPP control panel. Open the XAMPP server and start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can view the college facilities and database. Next we will open the Android Studio. You can view the build files and it have a all source codes. Next we will select the emulator and open the Android emulator. One more thing, you can open the deliver files. It's have a Android source code and documents. Then readme here to login details. Click on the college facility APK. We can view the admin and user. Let's start with the admin. Enter the email ID and password. Login successfully. You can view the admin user page. Admin can manage more than things like student details and managing facilities, etc. First, we will start the bottom. You can view the my profile. If you want to change any contact details, you can update the details. Next, we will go to the categories. Admin can create and add a new categories and update and delete complete categories. Then come back to the home page. Go to the departments. You can see the all department list and update and delete the admin. Admin can update and delete the departments list and also add a new departments. Come back to the admin home page. Click on the feedback. Admin can view the all student feedbacks and that states. Come back to the admin home page. Go to the all reports. You can view the all reports in this page. If you want a particular reports, you can search by a category. Then you can view your reports. Come back to the admin home page. Go to the complaints. Admin can view the all student complaints and its proofs. We can update the status and update the photos. And then search by a student name or roll numbers. Admin can view the complaints. Next we will go to the add student. Admin can add a new student. Register these files. Next we will go to the view student. You can search your student details like name, ID, username. That's all. Admin can update and delete student details. Next go to the view facility. You can view these college facilities and upload photos. Choose this file, the facilities and submit the photos. and we can update and delete the facilities. Come back to the home page. We can view the add facilities. Admin can create and add new facilities. Next, we will move for the user. Click on the user and enter the email ID and password. Login into the user page. Successfully login. We can view the user homepage. First, we will go to the facilities. User can view the college facilities under that categories. Come back to the user homepage. Go to the complaint. If you want to raise a complaint about college, you can write this. You can enter the name, roll number, and write a complaint. Then go to the status. Student can view our complaint status this page and search a ID and view our status. Next, we will go to the feedback. Student can share their feedback about the college here. Back to the user homepage. Then go to the my profile. If you want to change your profile, if you want to change your contact detail, click on the update and change to the details. If you want to contact admin, go to the admin info. We will contact to the admin through email ID or phone number. That's the whole application of college facility.